Hey Chalk Nation, it's your girl Chalk and I am back with another video, and in this video I am going to be doing a wig review on this Temu headband wig. So let's get into it. Okay, so let's open her up and see what's going on in here. So this is how it comes packaged. Okay. Now let's open up this one. Ooh, she is pretty. This is a 16-inch wavy curly headband wig. Let me take off this so you guys can see. Okay. Ooh, it's nice and soft. It's so full. Oh, hold on. We got some stuff under here. So let's see. Okay, let's take that out. So let's get into the inside of this wig. So it has a clip in the front and a clip in the back. It has a velvet feel headband, which is really cute. Okay, that's the inside of the cap, and it's very stretchy, so I think it's good, you know, to fit all head sizes, big head, small head. I got a big head, so let's hope it fits over my big old head. But let's see what they sent in here. So it comes with the wig cap, and child, they done send me some tattoo edge stickers. Which I don't really need these. I got edges, okay? My edges are still here by the grace of God. But yeah, okay. These are kind of the new thing that people are using. So I could see, oh, okay, we got more on the other side. I'm gonna have to just put these on for some fun one day, just so I can like laugh, because this is hilarious. But yes, so this is a 16-inch and it's a water wave hair texture, and the hair is so soft. The wig is nice and full. Let me bring the camera this way so I can show you guys. So this is the wig with no product on it. So even with no product, this wig is definitely giving. Okay, so I'm really excited to put this on because I've been looking for me a wig that I could just, you know, put on when I don't feel like doing my hair. And I just wanted to put it on before I put any product or wet it or anything, so that I could show you guys how it looks just right out the pack in its, you know, natural state. And it's really cute. It looks very natural. I love the curls. They're very bouncy. I love the length. I do feel like it's true to length. It's a 16-inch, and plus when I put product on it, the curls are going to stretch a little bit anyway. The band is also really comfortable around my big old head. So I was kind of playing with it and just tossing it around and flipping it over, and I love it. I love it so much. It looks like my natural hair, like, and you can put, you know, whatever headband you want with it. You could put it up in a ponytail, in a bun, whatever. So I had went to the sink just to wet the hair a little bit, because I'm gonna put some product on it. I didn't drench the wig. I just wetted a little bit. I made sure I didn't wet the cap or anything, and then I just set it on the towel to kind of like towel dry it. And I got some Cantu. The Argan Oil Cantu is one of my faves, one of my favorite leave-in conditioners. So I just kind of spread it throughout the hair and kind of finger combed it through the hair. And it looks so pretty. Like, I'm loving these curls. it didn't have any shedding while I was running my fingers through it either, so that was a plus. And I just wanted to show y'all my sweater because it says hanging with my ghouls. I got it from Walmart. I thought it was so cute. And then so now I'm brushing that product through after I worked the product, and I'm just brushing it through with a detangling brush. And look at the slip. Look how the brush is just slipping through the hair. No shedding is happening right now, and the curls are still holding even though I'm brushing the hair all the way through. I'm starting from the root of the headband on down, and it's just going right through, like no tangles. So I really love this. I love this hair. It's so pretty. I can't wait to put it on. At this point, I was like, oh my goodness, like this is about to be my everyday wig. Like, I'm not really a lace front type of girl, but I do love half wigs and headband wigs. So this was right up my alley. So let's put her on. I already had my old wig cap on my head, and my hair is just plaited up. I had washed it and conditioned it. So don't be coming for my wig cap. I got some more, but that's my one that I just be wearing around the house. And just like that, you just put it on. I mean, I didn't even use the combs that's under there because the band itself fits my head really good and it feels secure. And just like that, my hair is done. It's very low maintenance. I mean, all you gotta do is make sure you keep the hair moisturized and it'll be good to you. And just imagine how even better it would look had I not had my hair plaited up and just had like some straight to the backs up underneath there. It would lay even flatter and look even better. I highly recommend you to click that link in the description of this video and download the Temu app. If you are a new user, make sure you use my discount code FAVE23582 to get you a $100 coupon and save on your order. I hope you guys enjoyed this wig review as much as I loved doing it. I had to just show you guys how it would look if you added your own headband to it, and it's definitely giving cute. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when the next video is dropping, and don't forget to shop Temu. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.